Yes, students, here again a letter, business letter we can say. It is a part of formal letter, and here is the letter ordering sports items. This is for ordering sports item. Again, it is a business letter and it is again formal letter. Just have a look to the layout as well as the body of the letter. It is written in list form. Here is a list given to you. Is that clear? So listen to me carefully. These types of letter must come in your papers. Your question is, write a letter to Lightway Sports Company, Amrapali. Here you have to write this letter to. The receiver is Lightway Sports Company, Amrapali, and it is in Thane. Thane is in Maharashtra, Pune. Placing an order for a minimum of 4 sports items to be supplied to your school. आपको मिनिमम 4 आइटम्स की लिस्ट बनानी है जो कि आपके स्कूल को सप्लाई होनी है. आप स्पोर्ट्स शॉप से कुछ आइटम्स ऑर्डर कर रहे हो अपने स्कूल के लिए और एटलीस्ट 4 आइटम्स तो होने चाहिए. 5-6 भी हो सकते हैं, 7-8 भी हो सकते हैं. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. ABC Matriculation School. The name of the school is ABC Matriculation School, Civil Lines, Pune. ये पुणे भी अगेन महाराष्ट्र में है. पुणे थाने आर नियर अबाउट एरियाज. तो ये है ABC Matriculation School, Civil Line, पुणे. जो लेटर लिखा जाएगा वो इनकी तरफ से लिखा जाएगा. साइन योर सेल्फ एज रवि और रवीना. तुमने अपने आप को रवि या रवीना लिखना है. स्पोर्ट्स सेक्रेटरी, आप उस स्कूल के ABC मैट्रिकुलेशन स्कूल के स्पोर्ट्स सेक्रेटरी हो. तो बेटा यू आर जब लिखा जाता है या साइन योर सेल्फ लिखा जाता है, इट मीन्स दिस इज द सेंडर्स एड्रेस एंड सेंडर्स नेम एंड इट शुड बी मेंशन्ड ऑन द टॉप of the layout. Is that clear? Now see the format. Just listen, just look at the format first. It is format over here. Watch it carefully. Here is in the top the sender's address, then is the date, and then is the receiver's address, and then is the subject of the letter, and then again salutation. It means sir, dear sir, respected sir, and this is complimentary close here. Means जहाँ पर आपने लेटर को खत्म करना है. Yours faithfully, the name of the person and designation. Is that clear? So you have to check this letter in this way and I'm going to read it out. Just listen to me carefully. Here the letter is written by or written from ABC Matriculation School. The writer, the sender of the address is from ABC Matriculation School, Civil Lines, Pune. ये जो है एड्रेस, ये जो है लिखने वाले का एड्रेस है. Sender's address will come on the top. This is the sender's address and the sender person is Ravi or Ravina. That you will mention at the last. After this, you have to leave one line. Right after writing the address, you must leave one line for a proper format. Then go for the date of that day. Don't mention DATE. Just write down the date. 15th July, for example, today is 18th August 2020 or 2021. जो भी है, that you have to mention over here. Complete date must be here. Then you have to again leave one line and then Messrs. Lightway Sports Company. Again here the name of the designation of the person is not given, so that again you have to write Messrs. MESSRS, not ERS. Just keep it in mind when the post is not given, the manager, the branch manager or the director or the superintendent, that wordings is not given. And for the shops, you are writing for a business letter to a shop or anything, then you have to mention Messrs. Messrs means here many owners can be there. They can be Ramlal and Sons, Messrs. Ramlal and Sons. In this way, when that is not mentioned, then you have to write Messrs. MESSRS, not ERS. Keep it in mind, otherwise your marks will be deducted. Then you will write down the Amrapali, what is the location of that area. Then Thane. Thane is again Maharashtra. Is that clear? This is the receiver's address. You have to mention. It should be at least in 3 lines. And sometimes it may be 4, but maximum it is in 3 lines. First is the designation or the person, messers, you have to mention, then the location, and then the actual main position where it is held. Then is the subject, order for sports goods. Simply you have to mention the subject. It should be very small. It should not be more than 5-6 words. Is that clear? Then salutation, sir. Then listen to the letter carefully, the body of the letter. We need the following sports goods for the students of our school. Just to the point letter is started. We need, हमें चाहिए, the following sports goods, नीचे दिए हुए स्पोर्ट्स के आइटम्स चाहिए फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ आवर स्कूल, हमारे स्कूल के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए हमें ये आइटम्स चाहिए. क्या क्या चाहिए? That you have to prepare a list in this way, otherwise marks will not be given. First item is cricket bats with long handle, that is 6 pieces you want. Cricket bats with short handle, that is 4 pieces you want. Cricket balls red, 2 dozen balls are required. Hockey sticks, 8 pieces. Hockey balls, 6 pieces. Footballs, 4 pieces. Volleyballs, 4 pieces. These are the imaginary. You can imagine and make the list. Don't do rote learning for this list. Just go for your own ways. Is that clear? Now, after the list, it should be there. Kindly supply us the above mentioned आर्टिकल्स. जो ऊपर दिए गए आर्टिकल्स हैं ये हमें सप्लाई कर दीजिए एट योर अर्लीस्ट. जितनी भी जल्दी हो सके उतनी जल्दी ये भेज दीजिए. सिंस वी नीड देम फॉर द एनुअल डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल स्पोर्ट्स, एनुअल डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल स्पोर्ट्स डे के लिए हमें स्पोर्ट्स आइटम्स, स्पोर्ट्स डेज के लिए हमें ये चाहिए. गोइंग टू बी हेल्ड वेरी सून. और ये जो आइटम्स हैं हमें बहुत जल्दी, जो स्पोर्ट्स डे मनाया जाने वाला है, डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल का स्पोर्ट्स है, उसमें हमें ये सारे आइटम बहुत जरूरी हैं. गोइंग टू बी हेल्ड वेरी सून, बहुत जल्दी होने वाला है. ऑल द आइटम्स शुड बी वेरी गुड मेक. जो आइटम्स हैं सारे, उनका प्रोडक्ट, उनकी बनाने का, उनकी फिनिशिंग, सब कुछ बढ़िया होनी चाहिए, बढ़िया क्वालिटी का होना चाहिए. एंड हाई क्वालिटी, अच्छी क्वालिटी, अच्छी चीजें, फिनिशिंग वगैरह सब बढ़िया होनी चाहिए. पेमेंट शेल बी मेड बाय डीडी. डीडी मीन्स डिमांड ड्राफ्ट. जो आपकी पेमेंट है वो डिमांड ड्राफ्ट के द्वारा भेज दी जाएगी. डिमांड ड्राफ्ट एक चेक की तरह एक ड्राफ्ट होता है, उसके द्वारा भेज दी जाएगी. एज सुन एज द गुड्स आर रिसीव्ड, जैसे ही ये सामान हमें रिसीव हो जाएगा, वी विल सेंड यू डीडी, डिमांड ड्राफ्ट. Also please give maximum discount that you usually give for schools and colleges. Also please give maximum discount. जितना भी ज़्यादा discount आप schools and colleges को देते हो, that must be given to us also, that you usually आम तौर पर give for schools and colleges. Schools and colleges के लिए देते हो, that must be given to us. Yours faithfully, Ravina, Sports Secretary. Is that clear? These letters are very simple. You can just be aware about all these things, that these things are required. Whatever the essential things you have to mention, you just go for that. Is that clear? So look at this layout as well as the wordings, whatever is written over here. You just note it down. Just go through this letter twice and then note down this letter in your registers. Is that clear? It can come in your papers. But these types of formal letters are starting from 9th class, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, and for higher classes also, these are compulsory. These will remain in the same pattern, no changes there. So that just go for these letters regularly and be in the practice. It is a must to grasp. Is that clear? These are not for rote learning. Just understand. Try to understand what is the format, and these are needful in day-to-day lives. Is that clear? Okay.